Welcome back, my fellow DIYers. I'm Omar, and this is GATKKOR DIY. Help support the channel by hitting that subscribe button below. Give us a thumbs up, and please, if you like the video, give us a comment. Let us know how you feel. What do you think about the entire video? So, you know what? Hey, Buster, let's roll that sweet intro. How about that? Let's go. Thank you. Okay, my DIYers, one side note I want to add here. This picture that you're looking at with the pipes coming up, that's the pipe for the toilet bowl. What I did was move the toilet bowl pipe 17 inches away from the wall to the left and 12 inches from the back wall out. This allows more leg room, ease of mobility while using the bathroom. So this is one side note I wanted to point out that got done, and you could tell the difference in the actual video when you see the completion of the bathroom. You'll see the difference. Thanks. Well, good morning again there, fellow DIYers. It's another beautiful Sunday, and we are literally 2 weeks into this project. It's coming along nicely. We have accomplished quite a bit as far as the flooring, setting the toilet bowl flange, the drains for the shower, and today we're going to be working on the valve for the shower and the shower head. So that's our main focus today. And let's get it done. Let me give you a little preview of what we have accomplished so far in the last couple of days. I don't tend to film the actual measuring and mixing of the cement and all of that other stuff. I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me while I do all that. So, and I don't have a tripod right now. So I need to get one of those so I could get more in depth and show you guys the process. I assume whoever is watching this is pretty good at, DIY type projects at home. I'm gonna show you what we accomplished, my dad and I. He can't do much, but he tries, so that's a plus. So let me show you. Here we go. We are in, so this is where we're at. This is the little wall that we put in with these little center blocks. They're about 4 inches wide by, I think, 8 by 16 inches long. And we got a footer down there. The center blocks are placed in the footer. And we actually poured cement in the pockets to, a little bit of rigidity, make it stronger. We poured the floor. This is our drain, little fancy drain we're putting in there. And this is the new toilet bowl flange that we put in. Got that anchored in. New pipes, everything. You probably seen the process of where I dug all this stuff up, so you all got to see firsthand of the on-the-ground chaos that happened here. So, yeah, this is where we're at right now. And this is what we're getting ready to take care of. We're gonna change this valve out, get everything plumbed in, new shower head going up,
We're gonna fill in this craziness right here where I guess whoever put that tub in chopped it out. I don't know why they done that, but anyway, we're way past talking about these guys who done this job. So this is what we're getting ready to do: hot water, cold water. That bottom pipe is gone. Shower head. Let's do it. Let's get it done, guys. Thanks. All right. So here we are. We got the new valve in. This is the new single valve here for the hot and cold water. A little bit messy with the PVC cement. So that's where we're at. We're getting ready to fill in these gaps and do the flashing and smooth everything out. We started on this uneven part of the floor right here, and we're going to grind that down, make everything level so we don't have any uneven surfaces. And same thing for the wall. We got a little piece of tiles that's here and there that needs to be knocked off. So we're going to smooth all that stuff down and let's get busy. So that's where we're at right now. Like I said, we just finished up putting this in, put the valve in, we checked for leaks. Everything is good to go. And let's go. All right, guys, it's February 2nd, no, February 4th, I'm sorry. Losing track of days here. So it's February 4th. We accomplished a great deal of work got done in this restroom that we are renovating right now. It's come a long way, and might not be a professional or a contractor, but I tell you what, the DIYers, just get out and do it. Don't worry about, perfection. Don't worry about all that. You're looking for functionality. As long as everything works like it's supposed to, that's what the main goal is all about. So let me show you guys what we have accomplished and how far we've come. We're ready now. Tomorrow, on the 5th, we're gonna start tiling the floors, the shower floor, the bathroom floors. We're gonna get all that done. So that's our main focus for tomorrow. And let me show you what we got done today. From yesterday to today. Yesterday I showed you some footage of we patched all the cutouts and parts where the wall dressing was kind of chipped away from where the tub was and all that stuff. Where we put the pipes in, we fill all that in, and we went ahead and grind everything down today and smooth everything down and getting ready for the tile. So take a look, guys, let me show you. So this is it. So the tile here, it has a sheen on it. We grind all that down. You can see some of the sheen, just a little right here, that's really smooth. So what we did today, we went through with the grinder with a tool on it. We're gonna grab the grinder in a second and show you what we did. It was really dusty, and it was actually fun, but really dusty fun. So this is where the concrete was uneven, and the little angle grinder with that tool, it smoothed everything down. Doesn't look like it in the film right now, but it's level. It's level enough so when we start laying the tile, it won't be uneven going across to where we poured the new concrete. So this is the new concrete that we poured. A little bit dusty, and try cleaning it up. This is the shower stall. As you know, we went through this already. But the main character of the show here is this, where we fill in where they had cut out the tub to fit the tub kind of snug in the wall, and they did a lot of destruction over here. This is where we fill in all where the pipes are and all that stuff. We put the new valve in, kind of recessed it a little bit so we could tile over it, and going all the way up to where the shower head is going to be. So we grind everything down today, so everything is pretty smooth to the touch. Doesn't look like a little bit rough, but we need that rough texture so when we lay the tile on the wall, it will adhere properly. So this is where we at. This is what we did. We grind all this stuff. All this stuff got ground down today with that tool to knock off all the uneven areas of the wall. So this is where we're at right now. This is where we stand. And tomorrow the party starts for tiling. Fun. That's where the fun is going to begin. So guys, when you step back, this is what it looked like. That's the shower. And that's where the toilet is going to be. And that's what it looks like from here. Almost complete. Almost completed, guys. So let's keep pushing along. That's it. Thank you. All right, guys, I said I was going to show you. It's a cheap little, I paid like $25 for this grinder from Harbor Freight. And this is the tool that I'm talking about here. It's used for smoothing down concrete. It's got little diamond, whatever, chips or whatever it's used to make it. But it's very effective, very dusty. But I tell you what, this thing saved my bacon. So I tell you what, you DIYers out there, if you have the chance and you're working with something like this, which is a lot of concrete, this is not the United States where you could cut out some sheetrock and all that other good funky stuff. This is labor intensive because a lot of concrete. There's no sheet right here. There's no tape and mud and all that. This is straight concrete. It's really tough, really time consuming, and this will save your bacon. This tool right here, don't know the name of it, but you could probably, you could go to Home Depot or they sell them at Harbor Freight. They're like, in Home Depot, this one was about $45, I think it was, for this tool. It lasts a very long time. The grinder, I paid like $25 for it this month. I don't remember what's the name of it, but they have them there at Harbor Freight. Go check them out. And the tools might be cheap, but they're quite effective. So if you're doing arduous work like this, hey, don't waste a lot of money, guys. Let's go get you a cheap grinder, this tool here, and get it done.